Hello guys, welcome to the second part of the car modeling tutorial in Blender. So let's get started right away. If you remember in the last tutorial we added a reference image as well as a cube which has a mirror modifier. So please check out that video if you want to start from the absolute basics. Now as we are in the second part of the modeling tutorial, for that we will start the real modeling. So for that first we will press tab to go to the edit mode. Now we are going to take the top face, then I will select this tool and bring it down to about here. Now let's select the bottom face also and let's bring it to about here. Now from about here I'm going to bring this to here, and let's bring this part to here. And now we will select the bottom part and drag it downwards. Now we will take the whole face of this and we will extrude it. So basically I extruded this part from here. Okay. Now as we extruded it here, next step is we have to extrude this part front like this. uh, After that, let's start with modeling the top of the car as well. So for that we will take this face and bring it to the top like this. Let's take this face as well and let's extrude it to the top, like the others. It has to be aligned with this almost. That's great. Now we'll go to the vertices view, and we will select this vertex and bring it down like this. Let's add an edge cut here. So with Control R, and I'm going to put it here. Then let's bring it little down. We'll bring this vertex down. Let's bring this vertex down. Now we will add some edge cuts here. Let's bring. Let's select this entire set of vertices. Let's bring them down. Let's bring this down. And just keeping a check on the time left. And let's bring this down as well. And finally this down. Now the next step that we have to do is we are going to select uh, this entire face and we will extrude it like this. It should go till here. Now we can bring our vertex down to about here. Let's bring this back. Let's add an edge cut here. Oh, now let's bring it back like this. Yes. We will add one more edge here. Now let's drag this edge forward. Now let's drag it up, and this can also be about here. Let's add an edge cut here. Now we will drag this vertex about to here, and now finally we will add like an edge cut here also. Then let's drag it back. Let's do the same here and drag it back. So thank you guys for watching. The next part of the tutorial will be coming soon. Thank you so much.